How to find iPhone location from another phone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari is the default web browser on iPhones, developed by Apple. It allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to iCloud.com. On this page, scroll down and tap on the Find My App icon as shown. Over here, tap on your device. You can now view your current location in the map. If you ever forget where you kept your phone or lost your phone somewhere, you can easily know its precise location by doing this. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily find iPhone location from another phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.